Well, as COVID case counts and hospitalizations remain high here in Utah, health officials await the impact of the Omicron variant. A top epidemiologist says we can face it if we take precautions. Our team coverage continues with news specialist Jed Bull. And Jed, doctors say Omicron is actually not the variant making people very sick right now.
Exactly. Everything that the epidemiologists know about Omicron is based upon very early data. But it is here in Utah now, and Dr. Andrew Pavia says we need to up our COVID protection in order to protect ourselves from either variant.
We expect in the next couple of days we're going to find out that there's a lot more Omicron that's already here.
Dr. Andrew Pavia, director of epidemiology at Primary Children's Hospital, says they don't have all the answers on Omicron.
It is going to spread, and that much I think is pretty clear. Will it outcompete Delta? We don't know.
Making an educated guess, he thinks the vaccines should protect against hospitalization and death, but they may be less effective against breakthrough infections. With holidays approaching, he says people fully vaccinated and boosted can venture out with reasonable precautions.
I mean, you still should be wearing a mask in indoor settings where you're going to be around unvaccinated people or crowds. When you're at your relative's house and everyone's vaccinated and boosted, I personally would take the mask off as long as they've been reasonably careful as well.
He says vaccination, social distancing, and masking will work against Omicron.
What isn't going to work against Omicron is saying that we're tired of the pandemic and we're so done with it that we can't take precautions. That's going to lead to a lot more illness.
But right now, the Delta variant is still the real problem.
We're still getting hammered by Delta, and we need to get it under control.
So far, 70,000 Utah kids ages 5 to 11 have been vaccinated, and Pavia says he's very encouraged by that, but he urges more families to make that move in order to provide those kids better protection and the families peace of mind here during the holiday season.